Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block users and IP addresses on a MediaWiki powered wiki. This is a basic moderation tool that's used to prevent spam, vandalism, or other disruptive behavior that you might see from users. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the public test wiki, and as you can see, you can test there yourself. It's publictestwiki.com. And the test example account we're going to be using is just example is the username. Now keep in mind this is just an example and we're not actually targeting any real users here. That's why we're using the test wiki. So we're going to start out by going to special and then colon and then block. Over here we will enter the username of the user that we want to block. In our case it's example, and over here we can block them site-wide, so on the entire wiki they're going to be blocked. Or we can partially block them, which blocks them from specific pages or specific namespaces, so we could block them from editing categories or files, for example. And we can block a few other things like sending thanks, moving files and pages, creating new pages, or we can block them from sending emails, and we can block them from editing their own talk page. And finally, we can set an expiration time. Actually, in this case, let me just set it to indefinite, and we'll go through the unblocking process. And here you're going to want to set a reason. I just picked test block here. And finally, we just hit this button here to block the user. And you should see block succeeded right here. Now if we go to the block list, we will see that, yes, example has been blocked. And if I go to their contributions, yep, it shows here that the account is currently blocked. So let's go back. Let's go to special unblock. Now over here we're going to put in the username, text succeeded, and remove this block. And now example has been unblocked. And let's just check it here. Yep, okay, so the block is gone, great. Now it's going to be the same process for blocking an IP address, and you can also block an entire range. And that is pretty much it. Blocking is one of the simplest, one of the most effective tools for moderating wikis. So just make sure you use this responsibly and document the actions that you take. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button, and I hope to come out with more tutorials soon. Thank you for watching.